This short, we're going back a ways. This is a J.A. Henkel's folding pocket knife, two blade. If I can get the focus here, it has the two guy logo that was used between 1900 and World War II. So this is probably between 90 and 120 years old. And the pitting and stuff, I'd say it's probably 1920s. The wood bolsters, not a great big knife, but it's a pretty cool one. Fortunately, got some bend to the inside brass that's making the one bolster pop out and the end separate. Focus. There you go. But this would be a dandy project for a restorer. There's the logo. J.A. Henkel is actually the oldest registered cutlery company from Solingen, Germany. And, Great Britain had Sheffield. The U.S. had all sorts of places. But Germany had Solingen. And Henkel's was the first.